Hello, everyone, and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. Today is Tuesday, also known as Tablescape Tuesday. This event is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. Today, we are celebrating my friend, my sister, the girl who makes me laugh all the time, Debby Bubbles. And the color for today is, the colors for today is pink and black. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to start with my silver table, and of course it's a party, so we're going to bling it up. Let's put this sparkly tablecloth on and these blinged out chargers, which are also mirrors. You can get them from Hobby Lobby. We're going to put this very dark pink. Some of you might say it's fuchsia, but I'm following the rules. It is dark royal pink. And so we're going to put these nice black plates right on top of them. These are the basic black plates that come from the Dollar Tree, as well as the salad plate, which I am going to place on top just to give this look a very nice layered look. This look is coming together. It looks like we are going to take Debby Bubbles to a lavish, sparkly birthday dinner party. So let's get back to work. Let's go ahead and add those napkin rings. And of course, we got to have a crown for the queen. Debby, you are the queen of bling, the queen of leopard and all that. So girl, go ahead and wear your crown. Now, we've got to give a nice centerpiece. So we have this blinged out vase, which is from Z Gallery, and we got some candle holders in this beautiful floral arrangement. It's also from TJ Maxx, and it matches our chargers perfectly. So as we move on, we're going to add just a little bit of bling to this black velvet runner, and things are coming together perfectly. We are going to drink out of these black DIY glasses from the Dollar Tree. And you know, I think she likes to drink a little wine from time to time. So girl, go ahead, pour up. Let's drink the wine and have a good time. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you go by each participant's channel, watch. Please subscribe, share, and give them a thumbs up. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you are not already a subscriber to my channel, why don't you go ahead and subscribe today? Look, I added one special thing. I found these cute dessert plates in Debby. I just had to do a little bit of extra for you. I hope that you like it. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless you with many more years, many years of happiness. I love you so much. Have a wonderful day. And until the next video, I will see you all later. Hugs and kisses. Bye-bye.